Hello, as a part of virtual laboratory with Logisim for the subject Digital System Design, now we will see how to construct adder and subtractor circuits using Logisim tool. Adder cum subtractor, adder as well as subtractor, we have half adder, half subtractor, full adder and full subtractor. So how to design these? To design these we require the gates AND gate, XOR gate, NOT gate and OR gate. These gates are required. And coming to the logic circuit of half adder, which consisting of a XOR gate as well as AND gate. Using XOR gate and AND gate we can construct half adder consisting of two inputs which can do the addition of two bits A and B as a basic, and it produces output sum and carry. The table for half adder you can see for different combinations of inputs, the sum and carry you can see. This we are going to design. And next we are going to design the full adder. This is the circuit for the full adder. This circuit we are going to construct. In this circuit you can see two XOR gates are used and three AND gates are used to construct full adder. Full adder will add 3 bits, and the corresponding table for the full adder, here 3 inputs are there, A, B, C, 3 inputs. Outputs are sum and carry. If 3 inputs are there, we know that we will get 8 combinations. For those 8 combinations, the sum and carry will be like this. And next, coming to the half subtractor, the half subtractor circuit is similar to the half adder. The only difference is at the place of AND gate, one of the input, a NOT gate will be connected. That means instead of AB as input to the AND gate, you will get A bar B. So half subtractor will subtract the operation for 2 bits. Here you can see the table for the half subtractor. And similarly for the full subtractor, this is the circuit for the full subtractor. Here we have 2 XOR gates and 3 AND gates, 2 OR gates and 1 NOT gate to construct this circuit. So now we will see how to construct the half adder and half subtractor, full adder and full subtractor using Logisim tool. In the Logisim, go to the options, gates, where you can select any one of the gate. Here to construct half adder, I require XOR gate and I require AND gate. So before taking these two, I will put a heading for the circuit. So half adder, and now I take XOR gate. One XOR gate is taken here, and I will take one AND gate. And now by selecting XOR gate, I will change number of inputs from 5 to 2, and for AND gate also I will take inputs only 2 inputs. Now I will take input, this I call as A, and I will take another input, I call this as B, and I will take wires from that. And now I will connect XOR gate one of the input to the A and another input to the B. Similarly AND gate one input to the A and AND gate another input to the B. Now I will take two outputs, one is for sum and one is for carry. Now I will connect output of XOR gate to one of the output and output of AND gate to one of the output. I will give the labels. So this I call as A, this as B input, and this as sum, and this as carry. Now I have constructed the half adder circuit, and now as per the table of the half adder you can verify the logic. So this is the table for the half adder. Here we can give 4 combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and these are the outputs. We will verify those. So inputs are 0 0, so output sum and carry both are 0. The first case is verified, and for second case, if input A is 0, B is 1, A is 0 and I will make B as 1. If if I make b as 1, the sum is 1, carry 0. You can see here sum is 1, carry 0. The second case also verified. For third case, a is 1, b is 0. I will make b 0 and I will make a 1. In this case, I got the output sum 1, carry 0, sum 1, carry 0 for the third case. And for the last case, when inputs are 1, 1, the carry is 1 and sum is 0. So by applying inputs, both inputs 1, sum became 0 and carry became 1. So sum is 0, carry 1 for last case. So these are the 4 cases that we have verified. Now we will construct the half subtractor, which is a small modification of half adder. So in this circuit, instead of connecting first input of the AND gate to the A, we will take it from the A bar. A NOT gate will be used. So now I will change this title to half subtractor, and I will make a change here at the A. Here I will take NOT gate. I will remove this and I will connect a NOT gate. From A I will connect input A, I will connect to NOT gate, and NOT gate output will be connected to AND gate. And here also, instead of sum and carry, I will change the titles of the outputs as this as difference and this as borrow. Now I will verify the half subtractor function. So by giving 0, 0 as input, borrow is 0, difference is 0, that you can see. If both the inputs are 0, difference and borrow both are zeros. By giving a value 0 and b value 1, I will get borrow 1, difference 1. So see here, a is 0, b is 1. Now look at here, difference and borrow both became 1. And next one, when I apply 1, 0, a is 1, b is 0. Then difference will become 1 and borrow will become 0. And when 1, 1 is given, borrow 0 and difference is also 0. Now look at here. So all the 4 cases of half subtractor is also verified using Logisim. Now we will construct a full adder. The full adder circuit I will construct in a different way. Here I will go to project and I will click on analyze circuit. Once I click on analyze circuit, then I will get a table. I will be directed to table where I can apply number of inputs, number of outputs, and by giving the table for the full adder, I can construct the circuit for that. Here already A, B inputs are there. I am applying another input C. And next outputs, X and Y outputs are there. Okay. Next coming to the table. So A, B, C. You can see this A, B, C. A, B, C all 0. So output, this is sum and carry. Instead of that, I will put the name instead of X and Y. I will put the same names whatever I have. I will take sum and carry. Now in the table you can see the same names. A, B, C are the inputs, sum and carry are the outputs. If 0, 0, 0 is given as input, sum is 0, carry 0. If 0, 0, 1 is given as input, sum will become 1 and carry will become 0. If 0, 1, 0 is given as input for full adder, then sum will become 1, carry will become 0. When 0, 1, 1 is given, in that case sum will become 0 and carry will become 1. When 1, 0, 0 is the input, sum is 1, carry 0. For 101, sum is 0, carry is 1. For 110, sum is 0 as well as carry is also 0. For 111, sum is 1 and carry is 1. Now look at the table. The table whatever I have for the full adder, the same table is taken here. The table you can see. Yeah. This is the table for the full adder. Sum 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Carry is 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. So now you can see the things here. So sorry, this is one. Now you can see this is the this is one. Now you can see 3 inputs, 8 combinations. Further, this is the table we have designed. And now with this I will write build circuit. Here it will ask use 2 input gates. Using 2 input gates you want to construct, or using NAND gates you want to construct. So I will click 2 input gates and click OK. It will ask already some circuit is there. It is asking to replace. I will click OK. Then you can see the circuit for the full adder. So here 3 inputs are there. Output sum and carry is there. 0 0 0. So sum is 0, carry 0. For 0 0 1, sum is 1, carry 0. For 0 1 0, for 0 1 1, for 1 0 0, for 1 0 1, for 1 1 0, and for 1 1 1. All the cases you can see. Similarly, we can do the full subtractor also. So in that case, ABC are the inputs. So outputs I will change. Names I will change. So output I call as difference and borrow. And now coming to the table also modifications will be there. Just take the full adder, full subtractor table. This is the full subtractor table. So as per this table, you have to create the logisim table. Difference is 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. So I will make 1 0 0 1. Difference is ready. Now we will see borrow. Borrow is 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Now the table is ready for the full subtractor. Now you want to see the expression. You can see the expression for a difference, as well as for borrow also you can see the expression. And how we got that particular expression with respect to sum of the product, what is the expression for a difference, for borrow case also what is the expression, all those things you can see. And now coming to the build circuit, I will click build circuit and I will use 2 input gates only. Okay, and the already existing circuit will be replaced, you can see. Now this circuit is the full subtractor circuit with 3 inputs, 2 outputs. You can give all combinations. For 0 0 0 output is 0, borrow 0. For 0 0 1, for 0 1 0, for 0 1 1, for 1 0 0, for 1 0 1, for 1 1 0, for 1 1 1. You can see all the cases. So the verification of half adder, half subtractor, full adder and full subtractor using logisim is very easy. Just we have to drag and drop the things and you have to construct and verify the things as per the truth table.